how a modern printer works, one pixel at a time. A modern printer is a precise and intelligent machine that transfers digital images or text onto paper by placing tiny dots, called pixels, in exact locations on a page. At its core, the printing process is based on a system of X and Y coordinates, which tells the printer where to place each pixel. Page facing up X and Y, understanding the printing coordinates. The X-axis runs horizontally, from left to right across the width of the paper. The Y-axis moves vertically, controlled by a roller mechanism that feeds the paper upward, line by line. As the print head moves across the paper on the X-axis, it deposits ink in the correct spots to form each line of pixels. Once a line is complete, the paper advances slightly using internal rollers, shifting to the next Y coordinate. The process repeats, line by line, until the full image or text is rendered. This is similar to how a screen displays an image pixel by pixel, line by line, but instead of light, the printer uses ink or toner to build the image on physical paper. Printer, inkjet, and laser, two common technologies. There are two main types of modern printers, each using a different method to place pixels. 1. Inkjet printers. Spray microscopic droplets of ink onto the paper. Excellent for color and photo printing. The print head moves back and forth across the page X-axis, while the paper feeds incrementally Y-axis. 2. Laser printers. Use a laser beam to create a static image on a drum, which is then covered with toner powder and transferred to the paper. Fast and precise, ideal for high-volume text printing. Both types still rely on precise X-Y positioning to ensure every pixel is placed exactly where it should be. Direct hit. The role of resolution. The clarity of a printed image depends on the printer's resolution, usually measured in dpi dots per inch. Higher dpi means more pixels per inch and sharper images. The printer calculates where each pixel goes based on the image file, and then physically replicates that pixel with ink or toner. Brain from digital to physical. When you hit print, your computer sends a digital file to the printer, which then 1. Processes the image or text into a grid of pixels. 2. Moves the print head across the page along the X-axis. 3. Feeds the paper incrementally using the roller, advancing the Y-axis. 4. Places ink or toner for each pixel, one line at a time. Thanks to this coordinated system of movement along the X and Y axes, the printer can reproduce everything from sharp text to high-resolution photos with amazing precision.